Hey guys, this is Mustard J on Top Dog. This is the field trucks for Sonic Series 2330. Here we go. I'm a Gunslinger, the Trucker Drive, and the 20th Anniversary Avenger, Jackson Davis, your Brutus, and King James TV, your Boogie Van. There's the trucks you could choose from: Stone Crusher, Iron Warrior, Aftershock, Lumberjack, Rage, Brocamino, Toro Loco, Quick Clip, Smoke, Warrior Vampire, Inverted Dragon, Medusa, Pirate's Curse, Captain's Curse, Earthshaker, Whiplash, the Joker, Max D, 25th Anniversary, Gravedigger, Iron Outlaw, Mustama, Hot Wheels, Dragonite, Livewire, Octonator, and Radical Rescue. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.